Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show how can we control an all-terrain robot AT-TRON simply using our mobile phone. Fix the Bluetooth, motor driver module and Arduino UNO board to the chassis. Connect the VCC and ground pin of Bluetooth module to the 5V and ground pin of the Arduino UNO board. Connect the TX pin of Bluetooth module to the RX pin of UNO and vice versa. Connect the motor driver module pins M11, 12, 21, 22 to the digital pins of UNO. Compile and before uploading, remove the RX and TX wire of Bluetooth and upload the code. After uploading, connect the RX TX pin. Power in the circuit via 9V battery. Switch on the Bluetooth option on your mobile, then scan and pair your device. Assign your keys for forward, left, right, backward and stop mode. Now our AT-TRON is ready to move.